Hey queens, can we all agree that picking a hairstyle before school is somehow harder than the actual homework? Like, you wake up, you're already late, you stare at the mirror hoping your hair magically styles itself, and it never does. So, today I've got you covered. I'm sharing 10 super cute, easy, and school-friendly hairstyles that look adorable, take just a few minutes, and don't need you to be a professional hairstylist. Let's get into it. Number 1, the sleek high ponytail. Let's start with a classic. A sleek high ponytail instantly makes you look neat, confident, and put together. If you want to make it look even cuter, wrap a small section of your hair around the hair tie to hide it. Simple, but so pretty. Number 2, half up, half down. This hairstyle never goes out of style. Take the top section of your hair, tie it back, and leave the rest down. Add a bow or ribbon if you want an extra girly touch. Number 3, low messy bun. Some mornings, you just don't have the energy, and that's okay. A low messy bun is comfy, cute, and looks even better when it's a little messy. Number 4, double braids. Whether they're tight braids or 4 braids, they keep your hair out of your face all day. Perfect for long school hours. Number 5, slicked back bun. This hairstyle screams clean girl vibe. Brush your hair back, use a little styling gel if needed, secure it into a bun. It's perfect for hot days and sports. Number 6, side braid. If you want something soft and girly, a loose side braid is always a beautiful option. Pull a few face pieces out for an easy look. Number 7, claw clip twist. Running late? This one is your lifesaver. Twist your hair up, secure it with a claw clip. Done. It takes less than 30 seconds but still looks effortlessly stylish. Number 8, space buns. Want something fun? Try space buns. They're playful, young, and perfect for casual school days. Number 9, bubble ponytail. This hairstyle looks way more complicated than it actually is. Tie your hair into a ponytail, add another elastic every few inches, then gently pull each section to make little bubbles. It's trendy, cute, and surprisingly quick. Number 10, ribbon ponytail. And finally, my personal favorite, a simple ponytail but finished with a satin ribbon. Sometimes, it's the small details that make the biggest difference. It instantly makes your hairstyle look more polished and adorable.